So although we made modifications to that template, we also need to add some things into it. Please open the file that you just renamed, in my case, Drupal multi-easy template, hand modifications template, and open it along with 1802 scaling policies and alarms.txt. Scaling policies and alarms.txt has all of our web server scaling up policies and down policies, as well as alarms. You can see here that we're creating a web server scale up policy that's change in capacity. We're going up by 2 when we fire this policy. The mirror of that is the scale down policy, where we do a change in capacity of -2, taking 2 instances out of our autoscaling group. These policies are fired by these 2 alarms. CPU alarm high, which fires the web server scale up policy when the ELB latency is greater than 200 milliseconds. This description is just for humans, but what actually defines it inside of AWS is the namespace AWS ELB, the reference to a metric inside of that namespace, latency, keying off of the statistic average for a period of 60 seconds, and upon 2 evaluation periods of it out of this state of 0.2 seconds or more, we're going to fire the web server scale-up policy. The pair of that alarm is the CPU alarm low, where we do the exact opposite. If our ELB latency goes below 100 milliseconds, we're going to fire the web server scale down policy. We need to put these scaling policies inside of our Drupal template. So again, using the editor of your choice, please copy that entire contents of 1802 scaling policies out. And with me in the Drupal multi-easy template that you just modified, find the section for your auto-scaling group, the web server group, and paste it in right before launch config, right there. So we now have web server group and web server scale up policy with all of our policies and our 2 alarms in our template. Let's go ahead and save our template and exit.